Everyone, welcome to our Python lesson on this channel. Today we will learn about one of the most important topics in Python, variables. Knowing how variables work is the first step to learning any programming language. Python makes it simple and easy to understand. Let's begin. Now I am opening Visual Studio Code tool to write the Python code. I have already created a Python file named variables.py. You can think a variable like a container or a box that holds some kind of data. For example, x equal to 5. It means that we tell Python create a container called x and store the number 5 inside it. If you want to display the value of this variable, just write print function and within the parentheses write variable name x. Now we need to save our code first before run the code to display. Then we go to the view terminals. In the terminal scan, we write Python command pyt Python, then file name. In our case, file name is variables.py and enter. Output will be displayed. Let's see another example. Name equal to within double quotation Alice. If you want to store text value into the variable, you need to write within double quotation or you can write in single quotation. We do not need to tell Python what type of data you are storing. Whatever it is, a number, text, or something else, Python figure it out automatically. A primary way to create a variable in Python is to assign it to a value using the assignment operator. For example, here equal sign is considered as an assignment operator. In this text, you have a variable name on the left hand side and then assignment operator followed by the value you want to assign to the variable at the right hand side. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more programming content. Thank you for watching and see you the next tutorial.